Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, and in this video I'll teach you how to use style tag in HTML document. First of all, open text editor and create any file. I'm creating it on my desktop like learning style in HTML. .html, is it okay? Now open HTML document, give it title styles in HTML. Okay guys, basically what does style tag do? Open style tag. Yes, it is. First of all, I should open heading 1 tag. Okay, and I am writing here heading 1. Guys, this style tag uses different types of methods to let style on them, like I'm using h1 simply, and I'm gonna give it color blue and font size, this is 50 pixel, and font family and text decoration line, underline, and background color. Now save it with Ctrl S. Now let's see what will be its output. Open this file, and here is the output of that file. Guys, these were the basic steps which I used to show you basically what does this style tag is used for. Now come on the point, like if we have many heading 1 and we want to give them other styles to each, what will be its good step to do? Come here, like I have this h1 tag here and I want to give another h1 tag. Okay, heading 2. Guys, we also uses class attribute for this operation, like I'm gonna give it class 2. Okay, now the question is how we can use this class. Like here we have used h1 as a tag name, but in the case of this class, what we use dot. Yes, dot specify class, like I have here 2, and now here, and give it color green and 40 pixel, and here, okay, and overline, and here blue. Guys, we have here 2 h1 tags, but the one has no class, but the second has a class with name 2, which I have linked it here. Another method to link this is by using id attribute, like this one. I'm gonna give it name 3. And now how we can link it with our style sheet with hash. Okay, now I'm gonna give it pink and 30 pixel, line through, and okay, and one thing more is here is heading 3. Okay guys, save it first, and now let's see what will be its output in the browser. You know guys, I have shown you these three ways to link your style sheet. Now you know what, we can create style files separately. Let's see how. Like I'm gonna style it. Okay, sorry. Open new file and save it with style.css. okay, this is our style sheet file, and open it here, Control X. So guys, we doesn't need to specify this starting tag in this style sheet file and an ending tag as well. So remove them all and save it first, and save this file as well, and let's see what browser tells about the file. For this, open browser first. Now refresh the browser, and let's see, we don't have any kind of style on this file because we haven't linked that file which we have recently created. And now let's see how to link that file. For this, come on the text editor, and you know guys, it's necessary that the actual file and the style file on the same directory. If not, so there is another way to link that file which I'll tell you later. Now the thing is how to create link which is in the same directory, like style.css, which is its style file's name. Okay, and save it. Let's see what browser tells. Refresh it first. Let's see, we have linked that style file. Now let's see how can we link style file when it is not in the same directory. So cut it from here, and now I'm gonna save it on local disk C with new folder with name styles. Okay, I'm gonna paste them here. Okay, and now let style file inside the folder and check output in the browser. Now let's see, there is no styles between them, and note that this statement is totally wrong. The reason why this statement is going wrong, that is, it's not in the same directory. So what will be its solution? Solution is that you'll have to go on that directory, like on that folder, by linking it styles/. You know, this is the folder's name and we have jumped to that folder. Now let's see what browser tells about it. First refresh it. Let's see, we have linked or that style file within folder. Now the other question is how we can link that style file when the actual file, HTML file, inside the folder and style file is outside from that folder. Let's check how. Open that folder and shuffle them both. Open this HTML file. See guys, these texts are simple because there is no style file linked with it. Now let's see how can we link it. Open text editor. Now guys, condition is that here we'll have to jump one step back, means outside from the folder where it is created. For that we'll have to type 2 dots. By these dots we have jumped to one step back, you know, one folder back from the current folder. Okay, so save it first and open browser, what it tells about this file. Here we'll need to refresh it first. Let's see guys, we have linked that file. I hope you guys got it something from this video, and these were the basics of style sheet, and in the other video I'll tell you some styles web page using style sheet. And this video has been finished. If you have any question regarding this video or anything else in your mind, you may ask in the comment section below, and inshallah we will meet in the next video. Till that, take care of yourself, and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, hit subscription button below.